You hear a like a weird kind of itch, and like it's not like in your head. Well, it's in your head, but it's like you almost feel an itch in your mind, and this voice kind of bleeds its way into your consciousness, and you hear this ooh little bird, and you can recognize the voice as Vormanicus, the god that messed up your grove.
Yeah.
And then it just kind of goes away. Feel
All right. Well, I'm going to punch it out of my hand.
okay. So you take a big old swing and crack yourself in the head. Everyone kind of turns and looks. Oh. You know, yeah, we're good.